What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're at Grubb's Volvo to make a video on this very rare 2020 Volvo S60 T8 Polestar engineered. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter supercharged and turbocharged 4-cylinder with an electric motor with 415 horsepower and 472 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. So the Polestar engineered models are the most powerful Volvos, very uncommon, especially the S60 Polestar. As I said, I've never even seen one of these before, so it's pretty cool. You have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system in here, absolutely beautiful speaker grills, and I love the speaker on the dash over there, and the sound system in these are really, really good. And this one also has paddle shifters, which is cool because the V60 Polestar and XC60 Polestar videos I made on like the 24, 22 models, etc. didn't have paddle shifters. I think after 2021 they stopped having paddle shifters, which is kind of lame because who wouldn't want paddle shifters in a performance-oriented car? And this one also has the exposed exhaust. The Polestar engineered products used to have exposed exhaust tips. So again, I'm not sure why they went away with that, but they did. So yeah, this also, and the Polestar engineered models will also have the Öhlins adjustable dampers. You know, it's a sportier suspension. You also have gold seat belts in here, which look awesome. And these seats are really, really nice. Really comfortable seats. It's like a mix of leather and like some other material on there. You also have a panoramic sunroof, which is pretty cool as well. You have a place to store your phone. It's not a charging tray or anything, but place to store your phone nonetheless. You have heated seats in here and a heated steering wheel, no ventilated seats. Reverse camera with 360 view. That's cool. And you also have this drive mode selector here. Again, Volvo doesn't have this anymore. I don't know why they took away a lot of my favorite things in the older Volvos, like paddle shifters and this drive mode selector and exposed exhaust. So many questions I have. You have constant all-wheel drive mode, pure mode, hybrid, individual, and Polestar engineered. Like, this is so cool. Like, I love this. And when you put Polestar engineered mode, the engine will kick on. You can hear the engine. Other than that, it'll be pretty quiet because it is a hybrid powertrain, of course. You have this little tray to cover up the cup holders. And yeah, the seats, as I mentioned, are really, really comfortable. Let's walk around this S60 Polestar engineered, and then we'll get out on the road, see how it drives. So, black exterior on this car, looks really nice. Here's the door for the charging port for your electric range. I think it have like 20 to 30 miles of electric range off the top of my head. And yeah, the wheels on the Polestar models look really, really good. You can see those gold Brembos, and these wheels are beautiful. These are the same wheels on the S60 Polestar, V60 Polestar, and XC60 Polestar, and it says Polestar engineered on it too. Some of the best looking factory wheels I've seen. Surprising that it's on a Volvo, you know. I really, really like these wheels. Yeah, the car actually looks quite nice. I like the black grille, and I like the polished metal look on the Volvo logo. It's just a really good looking sedan, very classy design, and especially with those wheels. The wheels just look fantastic. And here are the rear seats on this vehicle. And here's the back of the car. You see how it has exhaust tips, and the exhaust tips also say Polestar engineered on them. That's cool. Wish Volvo kept the exhaust tips. I don't know why they went away with those on the Polestar models. And here's the trunk. Like, if I were to ever buy a Volvo, I would drive a Polestar engineered product, probably the V60 Polestar, because I absolutely love performance station wagons, especially very rare performance station wagons like the V60 Polestar. They're extremely uncommon. I think I've seen one on the road, or maybe two, something like that, and I've never seen an XC60 Polestar on the road, or an S60 Polestar. So yeah, but I'm excited to drive this. Yeah, turbocharged, supercharged, and electric motor. Very interesting powertrain setup. It looks like it lasts. I mean, this one is 93,000 miles, so this was definitely driven and used to its extent. And the thing with these Polestar models, or these even T8 Volvos in general, is that they're great daily drivers because you get electric range, you get great fuel economy, and great performance. And these Polestar models have stiffer suspension and everything too. Man, this thing is fast. Brakes feel pretty good as well. Hey, for this one having like 93,000 miles, it's in pretty good shape, you know. But yeah, I just love the materials in here. I just love the classy interior. I love all the, you know, design elements with the Bowers and Wilkins and the gold seat belts and everything like that. It's all really, really nice to me. Yeah, the ride is quite smooth. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention you have a head-up display in this vehicle. Steering feels quite good as well. So it looks like that lane keep assist feature is a little bit intrusive. It'll keep beeping at you if it thinks you're going out of your lane. Yeah, it's a really nice drive. I really like it. It's really, really smooth and really comfortable and quick. It's a very classy car. What I would like about owning something like this is the fact that it's so rare. There's a good chance you'll never ever see another one on the road. I just really like rare cars like this. nice. Very nice cornering. But overall, really fun Volvo right here. This S60 Polestar engineered. It's a very unique car, and it definitely met my expectations in terms of how it looks and how it drives and everything like that. Really, really cool car. But thanks as always for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for a new or pre-owned Volvo vehicle.